look, if you're looking for top talent that is young, primed, ready to go, coming maybe out of school, ready to go into their career, here's a big tip. Recruit interns and pay them. Pay them for their internship, because most internships, there is no money. And create a framework around this. Make it an actual position in your company. Every single company should have an internship. Whether you've got one, and I'm sweating beads, I know. Whether you've got one position or 100 positions, you ought to have an internship role, and maybe multiple, because when you extrapolate the math, it's such a good ROI, and it's a farming system for you to make quality hires in the future. So why not? Why not partner up with the local universities and have an internship program that you can funnel talent into, be able to get a good ROI on some labor and some mundane tasks and some things that maybe you and your management team are doing that's just eating up your time. Look at adding a paid internship as a position in your company.